Hi everyone, this is VCreed83 and today I'm bringing you Loot Crate. That's right, it's this month's Loot Crate, which theme is time. Now there is going to be a Back to the Future item, which I'm excited about because I love those movies. A Bill and Ted item, which, well, hopefully everybody's seen Bill and Ted. And sadly Doctor Who again, so there is supposed to be a pop inside, which, by the size of the box, good chance it's going to be one. I was hoping for a massive DeLorean or something, but... So, let's see what we got. We got a nice coloured t-shirt, which is... Bill and Ted, be excellent to each other. Now sadly I'm going to be wearing this one a lot, so it's going to get worn out pretty quickly. Ah, you're going to move now, are you? Oh, love crummy. Cat. Got a box. This sounds interesting. Oh, I don't want to take it out. It is a scale replica of the hoverboard from Back to the Future 2. I would take it out, but it's in a stand and everything, and I don't want to disturb any of that. That is really cool. And this document certifies this 1.5 scale replica of Back to the Future 2 hoverboard was created by Quantum Mechanics Inc. under a license from Universal Pictures exclusively for Loot Crate. So you even get a little authenticity thing with it, so that's really good. We have got Loot Crate pen with the flux capacitor on it. The time book. Another cardboard. Okay, I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, nice. Now, I'm not a fan of Doctor Who things, but this is quite interesting. Look at this. Another Loot Crate exclusive is Doctor Who Sonic Spork. That is actually pretty cool. And again, comes in a very nice little case. I'll tell you, Loot Crate do very well for their special little surprises. And that leaves just the pop, which is... Oh, that is pretty dang cool. Dr. Emmett Brown holding jumper cables. Back to the Future. And it's a limited, well, an exclusive from Loot Crate, so it's different from the ones you can normally get. That's really cool. Okay, let's just double check. The box inside has a scene from Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure as well. I love those movies. Gonna have to watch them now. I do. Clues about Doctor Who, not very good at that, I'm afraid. Okay, so this month's Loot Crate. So I was looking for little random bits in between. You've got the Emmett Brown Funko Pop, which is going to look really cool in my collection. You've got the Bill and Ted's t-shirt, which will be in my next video. The late great George Carlin was just great in that. The scale model of the hoverboard and its stand. My friend, who is not really big on this whole geek unboxing things, was really looking forward to seeing what was in this one. I think some of the bits would be him wanting them very quickly. And then you've got the Sonic Spork, which is also in a nice little case. And the time button. And that is this month's very cool, very fun Loot Crate. So thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.